So we will begin with installing XAMPP Server in your machine, because the platform that we are going to use is the WordPress, which is open source content management system, and it is easy to handle, easy to manage, and it is SEO friendly as well. Eventually you want a website which handle your content, and to install the WordPress we need a server, that is the XAMPP server. So for the steps that I'm going to perform here, and I will link all the links in the description box that I'm going to use here. So in order to install the XAMPP server in your system, just type XAMPP download and head over to this website and just click on download 64-bit. Simply click to install this software in your machine. Once the download is finished, just click on the .exe file and install in your system. So I'm installing it right now. It will take time, just hold on. Just click on OK and then next. This is the default directory where it is going to install. If you want to change it, you can change. In my case, I'm changing it to my decided directory. And click on next. Please wait until the installation finish. Just wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is complete, you will see this screen with finish button. Check this box and click on finish. You will see a pop-up of XAMPP server control. Now you have to click on the start of this Apache and MySQL. Start both of this activity and you're good to go. Now you have started a server on your machine, a local server on your machine, which you can check by going to this path. Just go to this URL and type localhost. If you see this page, it means that you have successfully installed the XAMPP server in your system. In the next video, we will look at the folder structure of XAMPP server, where we are going to install the WordPress. So I'll catch you in the next video, so stay tuned.